You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names from mythology. If you want to learn more confusing names from Greek mythology that are confusing, more correct pronunciations of all the names, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. They are all coming up for you. There are two different correct pronunciations indeed in English, and that's because it's a Greek name originally. So both pronunciation as Tethys, Tethys, or Tethys are indeed correct in English. So you were right probably, unless you were pronouncing it different ways. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.